All right, so welcome back. This is the daily driver burner car to get through my insurance claim for this. Still haven't gotten anything from them. They're still finding out that this car is impossible to find parts for. I've known that for 5 years. They're finding out today. So hopefully next week that'll be sorted. This car, update on how it's done. It's not had the best fuel economy this whole week. Monday was like 15 or 20, and it progressively got better, and I ended with 25 to 27 as a good average. So I accept. It'll work. Um, I did just fix the battery cables. They were bad, so I took and spliced and cleaned it up, put some stuff on there to make sure they have good contacts. Overall, now I know my battery cables are good. Battery, yeah, still needs replaced, but I'm getting through. I also switched out the radio. It had the really nice blah punk in there. It was a touch screen. My fingers don't touch screen well. Like sometimes it does and doesn't react. I threw it away and put the one I like in, a nice Kenwood. I get my dual USB so I can have my talks on one and music on the other. I'm special like that. And I got my license plate today, finally a metal one. A paper whipping in the back making noise. Overall, the car has done pretty good. It handles pretty good. The AC stays nice and cold, which has been good since I swear we've hit 100 degrees almost, like at least 5 days, although it was cold a couple days. Either way, burner car is working. No news on the red car. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'll try to keep you updated. The more I drive, the more I do. Let me know what you think. You guys have fun.